On question 3, you have to show that A is minus 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this value here and take the opposite, which is called 3. And we're going to replace it into here, here, and then form an equation. And when we solve it, the equation will be 12 as an answer, because the remainder is 12, we should be left with minus 7. So I'm going to rewrite this here to give us 3 cubed plus A, 3, plus 6 equals 12. 3 cubed is 27, plus 3A, plus 6 equals 12. I'm going to simplify, so I'm going to be left with 3A plus 33 equals 12. Take the 33 across to the other side, it becomes a negative. So 12 minus 33 will give me minus 21. So to finish off, A equals minus 21 divided by 3, A equals minus 7. So therefore, we have just shown that the value of A is minus 7. I mean, very quickly, another way you could have done this question was just to quite simply just input all the values. So if I come back to this again, I could have just gone 3 cubed plus, sorry, I'll say that again, minus 7 times 3 plus 6, and I know that the answer to this should come to 12 for the statement to be correct. Well, 3 cubed is 27, minus 7 times 3 is minus 21, plus 6 equals 12. Therefore, we know that A is definitely minus 7. Now for the next stage, I'm going to clear the screen, and we have to factorise fx. Now, if I just put us onto the clean screen here, and I'm just going to rewrite this, so this is going to give us x cubed plus 0x squared, even though there isn't 0x squared in the actual function, I just put that down, which we'll see why in a second, plus 6, because we know that it's minus 7, divided by something. But the question is, what do we divide by? Because they haven't given us anything to go on. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is if I come back to the original statements of the function of fx, I'm going to put a value in here to prove or to show that the remainder will be 0. And what I would do is, if I just write this down, so it's x cubed minus 7x plus 6. So I want to get 0 as an answer by putting a number into here. And I'm going to start off with the number 1. Equals 1 cubed minus 7 times 1 plus 6. Well, 1 cubed is 1, minus 7 times 1 is minus 7, plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, take away 7, 0. Therefore, I know that 1 is a factor of this here. Right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to divide this by x minus 1. Of course, it's going to have to be the opposite, because we know that 1 worked when we put it into the function. So now we're going to divide this by x minus 1. Well, ask yourself, what do I multiply by x to get x cubed? Well, the answer is x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times minus 1 is minus x squared. I now subtract. Well, these will disappear to give us 0, which is what we're after. Nothing x squared minus, imagine a minus there, which will give you a positive. So this is going to become x squared, because a negative x squared becomes a positive x squared. I then bring this down here, so that will give us minus 7x. What do I multiply by x to get x squared? Because the answer now is going to be x, so it's plus x. X times x is x squared. X times minus 1 is minus x. Again, I subtract. that would be 0. Minus 7 minus minus x is minus 6x. Finally, I bring this down again, which gives us positive 6. What do I multiply by x to get 6x? Well, the answer is minus 6. Minus 6 times x is minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 1 is positive 6. Now what will happen now is that these two will disappear. Negative and, sorry, 0 and a 0. So now I know that this will give us the remaining two solutions. I already know that one of them is x minus 1. So what we're going to have to do now is factorize this here. So I'm going to put this to one side. X, x. What do I multiply to get 6 or minus 6? And the same two numbers will add together to give us 1 as an answer. Well, in this case, the addition route is the best one to follow. It would have to be plus 3 minus 2. 3 take away 2 is 1. And then 3 times minus 2 will give us minus 6. Therefore, our solutions excuse me, will be x minus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2. So the solutions are 1, minus 3, and 2.